How to configure VLANs through the Cloudnet app. Prerequisites. The Cloud APs connect to the Internet through a PoE switch and obtain IP addresses assigned by the gateway. Make sure that you have deployed devices to the Cloudnet through the Cloudnet app. Next, you will see how to add a service VLAN on the switch through the Cloudnet app. Configuration procedure. Open the Cloudnet app, tap the network you want to configure on the home page. Swipe the screen to Wired Network and tap Add. On the Wired Network Settings configuration page, you can either use the system-assigned VLAN parameters or manually configure the VLAN parameters. This example uses the system-assigned VLAN ID and the default advanced settings for illustration. Once the configuration is complete, tap Next. Select one or multiple ports that need to be added to this VLAN, and then tap Next. Verify the configuration and then tap Confirm Deployment. Wait for the configuration to be deployed. Once the configuration is successfully deployed, you will see a Configuration Succeeded prompt. The app will automatically return to the main configuration page, where you can view the newly configured VLAN for that network.